My name's Sameena. I've been going to camp for 5 years. This summer would have been my 6th summer at camp, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite meal when I go on trip, and that's fried G, and the G stands for granola. So let's get started. Before we start cooking, we need to do 3 things. Wash our hands for 20 seconds. Since we're using a hot stove, if you're under the age of 16, have an adult nearby. If you have long hair, make sure you tie it back. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make fried G. By the way, this recipe makes it for about 1 to 2 people. A 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of oats, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon butter, a spoon to mix everything, and a pot to cook it all in. Now we can start cooking. First, we're going to turn on the stove to medium-high, then add our butter so it can melt in the pot. Next, add the oats and stir it around in the pot to let it cook for about 10 to 20 seconds. After that, we're going to add the brown sugar and let it cook for another 10 to 20 seconds. And finally, my favorite part, we add the chocolate chips. Now that our fried G is all done cooking, we can enjoy it, and make sure you have a full glass of water to drink with it. Thanks for following along. Bye!